Back with another ranked match on YGO Omega. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look into the brains. Dude! Here comes Makaba. Invocations, gonna recycle. It's gonna set 2. Oh no. Oh no, I'm just gonna Dark Ruler no more. Alright. Cyber emergency. Let's get Zeta. Get Zeta. Alright, could draw another card with Delta. Uh-oh. Go for Delta. You saying anything? No. Alright, here we go. Alpha. Should be Ben 10. Oh, that was me pressing something. Okay, let's get another Ben 10. Ben 10. And I get the other Ben 10. Oh, wait. Let's get the Ben 10. Delta attributed Dryton or ritual monster. Delta. Reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Ritual monster. Drawing cosmic cyclone. Ben 10. No. I think I want to steal his monster. Let's get Natasha. And instead of Gamma for this, I could just get Gamma right now. Nova. Zeta. You know what? Let's try Cosmic Cyclone. This one. Dogmatika punishment. Just chained it. It's a Dogmatika, Invoked Dogmatika. Alright. Okay, he got the Zeta in there. That's okay. I wanted the Zeta in there. Zeta. Tributing. The Ben 10. Special. From the grave, getting the ritual spell. Ben 10. It's gonna get me Herald. Union Carrier. Link Shoken. Union Carrier. Activate its effect. Target himself. Forbidden Droplet. No. God dang it. No! Oh, we did oh, that's okay. Meteor's Dryton. Activate. For Natasha. Tributing. Delta. Ishiki Shoken. Cyber Angel Natasha. If I want to activate its effect now, I might as well. Yeah. Gain 500, have to attack with a targeted monster. Get that 5. Tribute. Do a level 8. Level 8 tribute. Tribute summon. Vanity's ruler. Where is Natasha? Natasha's grave effect. Banish a cyber angel. Target a monster. To take control. Special summon from the grave. Natasha. Get over here! Then I could activate Natasha's effect again to target a monster and gain half the attack. No. Then I will go for Predator Plant Anaconda. Tribute to affect monsters. Link Shoken. Predator Plant Anaconda. Activate its effect. Copy. Red Eyes Fusion. Dumping the black dragon and the magician. Yugo Shoken. He scooped it. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. What level is this guy? Round 2. Oh, I drew the dark over. Oh, set 1 pass. Let's go. This is only at once per turn. That's okay. Field spell. Charge on Fafnir. Activate its effect. Since I already do have the Nova, and that's at once per turn, I'll grab the Mediana Dryton. Alright. Oh god. Nova for Alpha. Gamma. Tribute. Special. Activate Gamma. Special. Alpha. On night. Not going to use Fafnir's level. Union Carrier. Dawn Knight. It's gonna dump Delta. Where is Delta? This one's gonna have Zeta. But Gamma. I already did name my summon. No. Ooh, look at this. Alpha. Tribute. Special. Let me get a Ben 10. Oh crap, what I can. Delta. Tribute. Ben 10. Delta reveal. Ritual or spell or monster. Draw a card, then 10. Ice Dragon's Prison. Oh, it's a machine. Oh, he got the Union Carrier. It's gonna banish a machine. Oh god. Oh no. Battery's over. Indiana's Dryton. Natasha. Tribute Delta. In defense. Activate targeted monster, can't have to attack. Then oh, he's oh, Nibiru, that's great. Yeah. You Nibiru'd me. Well, I'm just gonna Natasha. Banish it, Ben 10. Target a monster. Focus on the Natasha. Activate Natasha's again. Target a monster. Oh, I should have put this one. Dang it. But I got more life points. Level 11. Well, let's just go for a Dragoon here. To affect monsters. Link Shoken. Prepare to plan for Anaconda. And he scooped it, yeah. Whoo, that's another win. That's it. That's game. It's over. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I think that was perfect. Comment, share, like, episode update. Sub if you liked it. See you guys.